guys, as you can see here in this project, we've used a couple of up lights. We've got a lot of wash lights because we have a lot of lower, wider shrubs that we really want to disperse that light out. But then we do have some nice feature trees all over the property. We've got somewhere they're really feature tree fruits. We actually got 2 or 3 lights on them, but pretty simple. I mean, these are definitely the most popular and what you see all the time. The biggest mistake I see a lot of people doing is a lot of times they'll put them too close to the tree and it just creates this big hot spot. If you're trying to light the trunk, you want to have it about 12 to 18 inches back to do that. If it's a tree where you got lots of nice foliage and stuff that you want to highlight, that might be where you got to use 1 or 2 lights, and moving further back from the tree and have them shine up in the foliage more. One thing I like to do if it's a bigger tree like that, you have 1 light that'll light up the stem like this, and then maybe 1 or 2 lights on the side that will just catch the, the canopy of that tree to really give it some nice light. So on this project, like I said, wash lights, up lights, and then we've also got some path lights, but more to highlight a little bit of paths and some nice rock work as well. Hey guys, so here's another example where I'm going to use this wash light. As you see this beautiful rock work behind me, we're going to use this to, again, just put a nice subtle, gentle light on it. That's going to give us a wider beam, so it's going to capture more of this rock, and we're going to get a lot of reflection back down, and we're going to get some, on the nice rhododendrons and different plants that are in here without having to throw a bunch of path lights. It's just, you get some really good reflection off this, so it's another really good use for a wash light.